More than 5,000 years old. Here's to good health.
Hello, India.
So friends, I'm going to the most popular Israeli market here in Jerusalem. It's called Mahaney Yehuda. Let's have a look. It's with onions and chili. Oh my god, it's like an Indian kulcha. And this is the one with za'atar, the most popular Middle Eastern spice here. This is a traditional way of making this Israeli bread. This one is flavored with spice and onions, and I'm gonna eat it.
I love you, India.
The pastry here is inspired. Of course it's Europe, but it's inspired so much. The croissants with chocolate, so Parisian, but they make it here and they have it since childhood. So it's amazing. Or not, I'm in a place where they actually add these flavors to the tea. They have mango, they have cider, they have apple, they have pomegranate, they have pineapple. This is a Jewish gel for Shabbat. It's made with noodles and jaggery, and it's delicious. They have it in the morning. I'm at Mahaney Yehuda in Jerusalem, and trust me, whatever I heard about this place, it's an understatement. It's amazing. This market is super crowded because it's Friday and everybody goes out shopping. It's a holiday. If you come to Israel and you're in Tel Aviv, you have to do this market. Coming here and not buying dates would be not fair. So I'm picking up some. You know what I learned from this place is how you live, how you pass every day. Every Friday is a celebration. I think every day of your life should be a celebration, especially for people living here.